helicopters overhead.
Do not fire, do not fire.
Hey, PDs.
Russian MI8s.
Yeah, do not fire, do not fire.
Got contact. Fucking hell! Run him over!
Yep.
Hey, your guys will get
They can't.
marshaled. My guys
They
won't.
can't. They can't. They can't surrender if they're dead.
Eyes on an Apache. That's ours.
Oh, sweet.
I think that's Hodge.
Where's my boy?
How far
Nice.
is your... You know,
Is it,
let
like-
me just remind him.
Is it like incredibly bright for anybody else right now?
It was, yeah.
Let's see this reminder.
I'm watching it.
Alright, so everyone know what they're doing.
Right, either you lot are talking over
Nope.
yourselves, but Viper 1
Well, holding, luckily for you, the thing that we're doing is pushing the trench.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking hell. Fuck me.
Right, Aiden, this is your guys'
Someone watch
specialty,
the
so
Hodge.
we'll just
I'm doing it.
One
We'll bring
minute,
up your rear.
we're just watching the
Be
hot.
it
There
middle.
we are.
You
There we are.
pop
He's remembered.
Flyers.
He's
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. That's not good.
Well,
Chris,
there
I
goes
think
the
you
Apache.
remind us of-
Like tunnel system, I don't know.
Well, I've got some frags, so
I dealt with the Russians.
yep, I've seen why that's big. Clear back blast.
Yeah, clear.
Wait, there's a vehicle.
Clear, clear, clear. Firing.
Oh shit, that's a fucking...
Good hit.
I'm really impressed with that.
Under the tank again.
Grenade.
There's one under that. He just hit that.
He's dead.
Thank you, Holden.
We're QRF now, we need to leave.
I didn't hear over radio, sorry.
Okay.
Shitty. Got him. Right out.
Guys,
We got a friendly down. Odin's down.
Fuck it, cat. I'll sit.
Alright, stop here, mate. Stop here. And advise once that PTR's dead.
Clear back blast.
Blast clear.
Move.
Hold there, hold there. Go, let's go. Fucking
Go, go,
let's
go.
Aiden, we're gonna blow right through it.
Alright, go.
And then
Hey, enemy infantry on our right at the bend in that tree line. 6 by.
Fairness, infantry is not a problem to us. We are heavily armored. It's the BTRs that we need to worry about.
infantry is a problem to us. Russians. Oh shit, they're setting up a fucking... They're gonna shoot us with an AT system. Let's go busy. I got him. I'm just gonna fucking drive us now. Is everyone in?
Yeah, all in.
Moving. Right, there
Did
is
you
an
see?
AT system on a tow. So,
Oh!
yep, they're going for it.
fast. This is what we're...
I'm behind.
Got it.
Down.
You want a kiss? Mwah.
What the fuck? What did you give him?
AP popping fasten. Yeah.
Wait.
Oh god.
No, he's stuck. He's stuck now. No.
I'm not coming back out now.
You've made him a hermit. No.
Are we able to set him off now?
Roger.
Alright, let's get going. Right, Rangers, we're gonna set off now. We're gonna...
That's not our rat. That's
That's a hind, is it not? I don't know.
yep.
Black shark.
Your skies, motherfucker.
It's a reach
It's a black shark.
Forward, turn right, go back to where you were. Turn right.
Wolf, BTR behind us, BTR behind us.
Yeah.
That's backblasted myself again, isn't it? No, I didn't. I'm good.
Got it
You're
here.
fine.
Dismount.
Watching for.
Someone call out a direction.
It's down, it's down.
I'll grab him.
Yep.
Hello, sir. You're coming with us.
That's HVT. Let's go.
Why are you in the fucking truck?
Don't turn that corner.
Get your malls out, Aiden. Malls.
I have to let this dickhead go.
Javelin, maybe. Anything.
Move.
Slow as you can be.
Fucking hell. Clipping that, that's funny. You're dead.
I'm out and it was a big explosion.
Frag it. Hind scene.
Right, lads, this is a good time to repack your mags and sort out any medical
back,
bollocks
lads.
you may have. So, you know, be good.
Hit it. It's gonna miss. It hit the building.
Yeah, we'll move into the vehicles now.
If you're on the roof, collapse off of the roof, just collapse down into the foyer. We can get out of here now.
Yeah, the last BTR was still up.
Ryan!
Right, then after the back, you guys have 3 scientists on board. We have 1 on ours.
Sanity.